because I missed you, and we're gonna go on a beach weekend. Oh my god, did you know I also got my nails done? Like, look how cute that looks. This one too, like, that's so adorable, isn't it? Anyways, you can see the background soon because this is my new room and I'm gonna do a tour soon when I'm back from the beach. But for now, we need to get packing, girl. So come with me as I pack. I'm also filming for TikTok, so I'm kind of gonna have to do that first, but I will show you my progress in the end. See you in a bit, see. Okay, I just finished filming for the video. As you can see, I already changed. Like, that top is a little uncomfortable, but anyways, finished packing. A little overpacked, but that's the bag, and this whole side is mine, or at least it is mine as right now, unless my mom like kills me. Yeah, that's my side right now, so let's see how that goes. Good morning, chat. It's like almost 4 a.m. and I impulsively cut my bangs last night. I brought this scissors just in case I wouldn't like it later. Beat the fit. Hollander jersey. Anyway, I'll see you on the drive. I think we're gonna leave soon. Maybe. You know, my hair is a big mess right now, but like, I've been on a freaking road trip, so I haven't done my makeup yet. Anyways, I'm gonna check out the beach in a bit, but the weather has gotten a little... I don't want to drop my phone. Hi guys, we did go to the beach. Oh my god, there's sand on the bed. We went to the beach and we didn't go surfing. I did bodyboarding because we brought bodyboards, and then we had a dinner and it was soup. And we're here right now. This is the room, sharing it with my brother. And tomorrow there's gonna be a brownout, but that's okay because I'm gonna go surfing anyway in the morning, and I'm planning to take some banger beach pictures because Baler is like the land of the golden sunrise, or at least here it is. And they said the best time to surf is 9 to 10 a.m. in the morning, so I'm kind of looking forward to that. That's all for now though. Like, the beach is really nice. I love the waves. It's actually a banger, and I almost like drowned and didn't get back to shore, but that's the story for later. Me when I wake up for the sunrise, but the sun was covered by the clouds. So I'm gonna go back to sleep, the freak, and I'll just try to take pictures later, cause oh my god. I like how they said there's gonna be waves at 9. It's like 8:30 maybe, I don't know, but let's see later when it is 9 and 10 o'clock. But anyways, at least the weather is looking up. Like, wow. It's a video. So we're gonna go to the falls, on the Mother Falls. So we're here at the Mother Falls already. I almost slipped twice. It's so hot, but the water is so cold. Oh my god. Okay, so we just came back from the Mother Falls, and I didn't really go for a swim because I didn't want to be, I was kind of like wearing regular clothes, but I didn't really mind. It was just really loud, and I dunked my feet in the water anyway, so that was fun. Okay, we're gonna have lunch right now. It's currently around 2 o'clock, like 2:30, and there aren't that many waves as you can see, so I think I'm still gonna surf later. So I'm just gonna take pictures for now probably and take a little bit of a break because we had to take a hike and my feet are dying. I was like, seriously though, I was shaking. Anyway, see you though later. Look at my nails. Okay, I'll see you. Bye! So I've decided to go surfing instead of taking photos. Tomorrow we're gonna leave at like 4 or 5 so I can just take pictures then. And I'm trying to catch the waves right now. So tomorrow is better because it's like unlimited time and I don't really have to surf tomorrow. But I want to surf today, so I have my rash guard on because I don't want to burn. Don't forget. But anyways, I'm gonna see you at the beach. On the way to the beach. Oh, my bangs are popping off and I cut them myself, by the way. This is me after surfing. Did the waves eat me? Can we tell by my hair? But did I eat those waves too? Yeah, bro. That was so fun. I love surfing. Bro, we finally got electricity back. No, because how long have we waited without it? It was 5 now. And it's...
No, it was 7. Oh wait, when we were expecting that.
Yeah, but anyways, it's finally back and the aircon is here. So I moved back downstairs because I was upstairs because it was so cold there. I mean, not so cold, but it's colder than it was down here.
Actually, it was quite cold there, especially whenever somebody walked by because the wind would start blowing in for some reason.
Anyway, I'm gonna grind on my Roblox game.
She sucks at it, by the way.
Anyway, I'm gonna go take pictures tomorrow, so I have to wake up early. And then I'm gonna go surfing some more. So I'll see you tomorrow.
She sucks at surfing too.
Good morning, everyone. It is the last day in Baler. It's May 7th, and I'm just finishing my makeup before we head over to like a white sand beach, kind of near the falls that we went to yesterday. It's like the same distance, and getting ready to take beach pictures because I kind of didn't do that yesterday because I picked surfing over taking pictures. But that's what I'm here for today because we're vlogging. Watching that vlog because I had a lot of fun being there. But anyways, that's all for now though. Stay tuned for my back to school vlogs because term 3 has officially started, so I'll see you soon. Bye.